Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many tech enthusiasts face when trying to understand the intricacies of PCIe slots in their devices. In this video, we are diving into the world of PCIe bridges and link capabilities to make sense of the information provided by the lspci command output for a specific laptop model. Let's delve into the solution to the enigmatic PCIe slot puzzle presented. The lspci output revealed the presence of a Sandisk device identified as 15B753 connected to port 1B.0. This device, most likely an NVMe SSD, operates at a speed of 8 GTs with a width of x4, indicating a PCIe 3.0 interface. This insightful information allows us to hone in on the specific PCIe device linked to this port, shedding light on the internal components of the laptop. Building on the analysis of the PCIe slots detailed in the earlier solution, command also disclosed a MicronCrucial technology device with the ID C0A954A tied to port 1D.0. Similar to the Sandisk device, this NVMe SSD is configured to run at a speed of 8 GTs with a width of x4, aligning with PCIe 3.0 standards. By pinpointing this device within the laptop's architecture, we gain a deeper understanding of the storage components integrated into the system. In conclusion, by dissecting the lspci output and utilizing the clues provided, we successfully identified the NVMe SSDs connected to ports 1B.0 and 1D.0 in the laptop. The detailed examination of PCIe bridges and link capabilities unraveled the mystery of the PCIe slots, showcasing the diverse array of devices interconnected within the system. We hope this video has illuminated the complexities of PCIe configurations and empowered you to navigate similar challenges in your own tech endeavors. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.